Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I want to show you how I make my Belizean honey bun. I decided to do this video in a Creole since the Belizean recipe I make. Okay, for this recipe you need 3/4 cup of brown sugar, 5 tablespoons of melted margarine, 1 egg, 6 tablespoons of honey. So I want to think about all them little heart dishes where they use. Aren't they just the cutest? Oh my gosh, I just love them. The Valentine's, so I have all of them out. Okay, you need 3 tablespoons of browning. And this is the browning I use. This one make it really good. So it depends on the browning you use. Some of them make it really bitter and some of them not bitter. But I discovered this one recently. And this is the best one so far. This one make your things them so nice. You need 2 tablespoons of molasses, and I happen to find molasses in the same brand. First time I use this brand, but I really like it. Them people should have pay me for advertise for them, No, but I mean, once I find something I really like, I want to make you know, so you could get the same results. I will leave them link below so you could check them out. Okay, and the last thing you need, the 1/2 cup of water. Take your mixer and beat this until everything mixed together. Okay, after everything mixed together, I will add 2 cups of flour to that. 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Beat that until everything mixed together. And that's it. That's so easy to make. Just make sure you go in there and scrape down your bowl. You want to make sure everything get mixed together. When I made a work on this recipe and I make my husband try it for the first time because he never have honey bun before, and he said, "You sure this the honey bun? You sure that's how it will look?" Because honey bun that is tastes just completely different. I mean, it look totally different, and it tastes different. I said, "No, for we honey bun different than Belize." Okay, so I just take some cooking spray and spray my pan, and make sure you grease your pan, spray your pan, because you know what, nothing stick. Spread it evenly in the pan, because however you have it in the pan, that's how you come out. So if this thing uneven, it come out uneven. This the one of them recipe when nicer the next day. Don't get me wrong, when you just take it out of the oven and cut it in nice. But I just feel like the next day and the other day, it just even nicer. Like all the flavor and everything come out. It just so good the other days. Bake this in a preheated 350 degrees Fahrenheit oven for 20 minutes. Look pandas, look how pretty, look, oh my gosh. I forget how much I like honey bun and how much I miss honey bun. Make it cool off, leave it before you cut it. So I make this cool off about 30 minutes and then I cut into it. I may completely forget about honey bun, Now when I see my cousin they eat it and then I'm like, oh my gosh, I forget about honey bun. And then we start talk about it and she did tell me how honey bun not taste like it used to be. Like, nowadays people make it and it's so dry and it just not taste the same. The flavor not there, everything. And I know, things change over time, but we decide that, what, we need to make for we own honey bun. So This is how this recipe come about. I know for the people them where they watch this and think this not look nothing like the honey bun where they get that in States. You know, them honey bun this side completely different. They're not like for we Belizean honey bun, but this one's so nice. And I just love it. I just love how that little tapa just like sticky like. Oh my gosh, this just take me right back. It almost tastes like bola, but not really. And you know, people they ask me for a bola recipe, so I have to make one. But I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you understand this video. I know not everybody talk Creole, so but I hope the other people them understand. And I hope you give it a try. So thank you all for watching, and I will talk to you next time. Take care. Bye.